doubt allows me to be their guardian.
Mountain Splitter! Mountain Splitter!
Yo guys, it's Cozmix here, and today I'll be showing you how to boost your FPS and improve overall performance in Mobile Legends using SetEdit optimization codes, and take note, system table only. This method works on almost all Android devices and does not require root access. But please be careful and follow everything correctly. Changing SetEdit values can affect your system behavior. So before starting, please create a backup of your current settings. I'm not responsible for any incorrect changes, so follow the exact steps as shown. SetEdit Settings Database Editor is an Android app that lets you access and modify hidden system settings stored inside your phone's internal database. These settings normally aren't visible in the regular settings menu, but they control important system behaviors like animation speed, touch response, refresh rate, GPU functions, thermal limits, and more. By modifying specific values in the system table, SetEdit can help your device run smoother and maintain higher FPS during gaming. Gamers use SetEdit because it gives them deeper control over system behavior that no regular app can provide. It's basically manual optimization at a system level, without needing root, as long as the phone allows modifying system values.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. Where my demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back.
Alright guys, that's how you optimize FPS and performance in Mobile Legends using SetEdit codes. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Join my Telegram for more tweaks, scripts, and configs.
Time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stands still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. Oh.